channel. So today's video is something that you're probably familiar with older YouTube, and this is where you get all up in my business and find out all the little secret things that I have inside my bag, and I let you do it. I don't know about you guys, but I was definitely not one of those kids in school that carried around that cute purse, you know, where they put all their books in it and it was just so cute. No, I was that kid that had the rolly book bag that would make a lot of noise throughout the hallways and was so embarrassing. But unfortunately, my mom didn't let me carry around anything else. My mom said it would help with my health and I wouldn't have back issues as an adult. I still have back issues, Mom. I still have it. But now, I can as an adult because I make my own choices, Mom, and I can get a back massage. I was gracefully gifted a wonderful flipping cute purse by Angela Roi. Thank you so much, Angela Roi. It is adorable, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like because it's just so cute. Today we are going to get an exclusive, never before seen look inside of Kayla Hancock's purse. Who knows what we'll find? We will look today and we will see, and who knows, hopefully it's clean. You guys know the deal. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below as well as the like button because you guys are my friends and we have to support each other and grow together and love one another and just hope for a better future. So here is my purse. It is by Angela Roi. This is the Angelou mini bucket bag, and I really like bucket bags, to be honest with you, because you could just throw whatever you want inside of it. My favorite part about this bag is definitely the vegan leather, just because it looks so realistic. Like, I want to get a close-up of the actual like texture because it looks like it's like real leather and it's gorgeous. Another thing I really like about the bag is that all of the bags have a handle, and the handle has 2 different colors on it, and I love the fact that it's that small touch of color. I also really like the key ring, which I chose to get another one in a pink color. So cute, and wait till I show you what's inside because honestly it's very spacious. I know that my wonderful subscribers really care about the environment, and a lot of you guys are vegan or vegetarian, so this is really cool because it's animal friendly vegan leather. So yeah, I really appreciate that, and I definitely, you know, something to look at. I have been thinking about this for a while, and I've been trying to figure out what is the best way to actually see what's inside my purse other than to actually be inside my purse. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna get inside of this purse because that's the only way to actually show you guys, okay? We watched a whole lot of 90s shows, and this is the correct way to do it, so. Glue's good too, we can too. Whoa, guys, we actually made it inside of my purse. Who knew I could actually successfully do this? Okay, so the very first thing that I see inside of here is my asthma medication, because it's really important to actually live and actually go through life being able to breathe. So I have this asthma pump. It's very necessary. Okay, so the next thing I see, I don't know why I'm whispering, but the next thing that I see in here is my wallet, guys. This is really important because we're making bank, guys. We're pulling in the money here right now. Definitely don't want to be in New York City without even $1. It's really scary. What else can I find in here? Oh, there it goes. Okay, my glasses. They're very important. I always carry these with me. These are by Warby Parker. They're wonderful. I love them. The next thing I see is my boba straw. This is a metal straw specifically for bubble tea because I really enjoy it. That's not Jamie, guys. I'm inside my purse. I really enjoy bubble tea, so I have a metal boba straw. The next thing we have in here is my planner because it's very important for me to not procrastinate in life because I tend to do that and just binge watch Netflix. I just carry this with me every single day so that I can plan out my whole month. The next thing I have in here are tissues because I have really bad allergies, especially during the spring, so I'm gonna definitely need to stock up on more of these, but I carry tissues with me everywhere I go. I see, oh, it's not a CVS receipt, but I do see a 25% off your purchase. CVS. I will be using this. I got my keys in here. In all honesty, I'm always forgetting my keys, guys. The other day, I locked myself out for a whole hour and a half while my bath was running, and I had to wait for Frank. That was such a shame, but I got my keys. I feel something back here. Oh, I got some chocolate. Chocolate! In all honesty, there's never a day you're not gonna see me with some type of sugar inside my purse because I have to have either gum, candy, gummies, like Sour Patch Kids. Next, I have some hairpins that I got at Urban Outfitters. I really like these hairpins. They're very cute. So I got 2 more at Urban Outfitters, and I don't know why they're in my purse though, but they're there. I also have some essential oils. This is Respirade Synergy by Plant Therapy. I love this stuff. So I carry this around so I can just roll it on my wrists and then just smell it throughout the day. And it kind of helps open the airways, so I carry this. I also have some chapstick, which this is my purse chapstick. I also have a bathroom chapstick. I also have a bedroom chapstick. I also have a chapstick in our living room because I need to have one in all designated places, guys. And then I have a lipstick, which I just like to have color on my lips, so I carry this around. And I only carry one, guys. I used to carry like 30 inside my purse, but now I've been like doing really well. And the last thing I see in here is a panty liner because you never know whether you need it or another fellow female needs it. I always carry one. Oh my lord, guys, I can't even believe that I was actually able to fit inside of my purse. Who can say that, honestly? But I think it's about time that I actually get out of here. It's so sad, but I'm gonna leave. Okay, I'm just gonna get out. Phew, guys, that was a journey. So this is pretty much my outfit of the day. We got this cute little mesh top that I got from Forever 21, some jeans that I thrifted and cut up at the bottom, my adorable little, mules, is that what they're called? And I have my little hair clips, and I feel like super simple outfit with this purse. It would just look really cute going to like the farmer's market or something. So yeah, and I have my jewelry earrings also. That's my outfit. I would actually wear this purse like this instead of on my shoulder just because I feel like it looks much cuter like this, even though the strap is actually pretty short, but I feel like I like it like this. So that's pretty much how I'd wear the bag. Anyway, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up for adventure, guys. For the fact that I actually got inside of my purse / secretly built a really very sturdy fort. We just went on a flipping adventure, man. We just went straight to Blue's Clues mode. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and join my friendship that I have with you guys, because we are friends, and I would love to have more friends because, you know, we're trying to like make up for the lack of friends in real life. Unfortunately. And lastly, comment down below some weird things that you found inside your purse, your book bag, or your rolly book bag. Guys, you know, we're still cool, okay, carrying around our rolly book bag. Guys, we can run. For me, it's always extremely long CVS receipts with tons of coupons of things that I don't even buy. That's always the issue. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys next week. I love you so much. Bye!